Flat glass man ako, mag-flat glass.
Ma.
Hi mga ka-vlogs, how are you doing? Here we're back. We'll do a vlog on pickup of KFC. So we ordered online 16 piece. Bucket family deal. The price was with the code with the coupon code was $34.99, and the total is 36 something. Just don't have it with me right here. I'll show you. Yeah, so it's $36.74 with the coupon code $34.99 plus tax, and order tax GST is 5%. Ayan.
Ay, bago na ako
See you
dito.
there.
Saan ba?
Box like this.
Okay.
Keep falling on it.
Yeah. So here in Prince George, mga ka-vlogs, ano, wala masyadong choices ng fried chicken. But we have Chester Fried Chicken close by here, but it's not the same. It's not as famous as KFC. KFC, there's 1, 2, 3.
Straight lang?
Yeah, straight. 3 what do you call that? 3 branch of KFC. Pero dito yung Chester, yan sa may ESO.
What? I thought we were getting KFC.
Yeah, okay.
So, yun pala yan.
Yeah, adjust ko muna yung ano, masyadong ano.
Just.
Ito mga vlogs sa 2nd Avenue. Dito makikita nyo may mga homeless dito sa side. Wala sila dito ngayon.
Oh,
Diyan sa merong
Yeah.
isa, dalawa. Ayan.
And dito sila tumatambay, ngayon wala.
Ayan, sa
Wala.
tulog.
Dalawa lang. Ito yung IMSS. The Baljit Seti Center. Ayun na pala ang pangalan nun, hindi na IMSS.
Ano na?
Yung pangalan ng may-ari ata, Baljit Seti Center.
Oh, hindi na pala, ano, hindi na government.
BC Housing. Kaya siguro ano, Afro-Caribbean store. Kaya siguro mas marami ang natutulungan ng niyang agency na yan sa mga East Indian kaysa sa yan, tops and bottoms, kaysa sa mga Pinoy. Kasi marami na sila, mas marami ang East Indian dito kaysa mga Pinoy. Sa mga Tim Hortons, siya hindi naman siya nagre-reklamo, no? Pero ilang napansin ko nung si Trudeau na ang naging Prime Minister. Yeah, daming nagbago. Sa tingin ng iba, okay naman si Trudeau, lalo sa mga immigrants kasi masyadong very ano siya, open siya sa mga immigrants, kaya ang daming galit ng mga Canadian sa kanya, yung mga matagal na rito, dahil nga sinasabi nila na walan sila ng trabaho, stuff like that. So yan, maaraw na napatakan pala kami ng something in the eye, kaya hindi ako nag-drive kasi medyo malabo pa yung mata ko eh. Pina-check ng ano, napunta ako sa optometrist para i-check yung eyes ko as per physical therapist advice, kasi nga sumasakit yung ulo ko sa right side. Turns out na medyo yung right eye ko is makakita ng malapit, medyo malabo ng malayo, pero yung left eye ko is malinaw ng malayo, medyo malabo ng konti, parang ganun ang nangyayari, no? So ayan, andito na, malapit na tayo sa KFC.
Saan ba yun?
Ayan.
Ito na ba yun?
Yeah.
Saan ang daan?
This one. Right. 8th Avenue, Prince George. Ayan ang vlogs, no?
You don't need a pot.
Yeah, for sure.
Mind if I vlog myself?
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure.
So I ordered online the 16 piece
Oh, for Robert?
Robert, yeah.
Alright.
And then probably would like to order the special, the 10 piece, the one
Thursday
that,
special?
yeah,
For sure.
yeah,
So it's Thursday special and you're picking up, right?
yes.
Anything else?
That's it.
Alright.
And I get some hot sauce and ketchup.
Yeah, no worries. Here we go. We come for Robert and you're ordering Thursday special. Here you go, sir.
The Pinoy, right?
Quick, thank you. Have a great day.
You're Pinoy?
Apo.
Start. Bablog lang.
Vlogs mo kaya? Go
Rob
pro
TV and DJI Action 3. Check it out. RobTVFilCanLife. Pwede bang i-vlog kita? This is what's your name?
Matthew po.
Yan.
Oh,
Maybe
Matthew.
subscribe sa atin
Subscribe
sa YouTube.
Ano po yung YouTube niya?
RobTV
Rob TV.
FilcanLife.
Sige po. Subscribe po.
Ayan, sige.
Support po kayo.
Okay. Thank you. Ayan. May bago tayong subscriber mga vlogs sa KFC. Ayan. Ito po ang ating in-order.
Bring you Thursday special.
Ayan.
Sulat ko po yung channel. Baka makalimutan.
Yeah.
Ano po siya?
So, RobTVFilCanLife.
Rob TV?
TV FilcanLife. Ayan. Filipino-Canadian Life.
Oh, nice.
FilcanLife.
Sige ah.
Salamat. So, yeah.
There goes the Thursday special as well.
All right.
That's everything for you?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Have a great day.
You too.
Okay. Ayan mga vlogs. Oh, I need the receipt. Ginawa ko na rin yung I'm gonna go grab the receipt because I don't have it here. Receipt, yeah. So if you're vlogging, no, mga business expenses mo, you can keep it as your tax deductible. Sorry. Here you go. Sorry. Just need my receipt. Yeah, for the both of them. Yeah, for the special and the
For the other one is
and the other one as well, please. Yeah, thanks. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. So yeah, yun yung mga vlogs, no? Tax deductible kasi it's part of your vlog. It's a business expense. So sa mga new YouTube vloggers, I recommend that you keep all your receipts. It's okay that you're gonna have a loss in your first year, right?
Hey, where do you get the
As
chicken?
long as you open up the business. So, trabaho lang to, right? Okay? So, ayan mga ka-vlogs, no, na-pick up na natin. So, nung dumating ako, we picked up the online order. But I saw that on Tuesdays and Thursdays, meron silang special. Go, pakita ko nga ito. Andyan yan. Sige pa. Yan, $16.99. Tuesday and Thursday specials.
Tuesday and Thursday?
Yeah, for 10 piece drums and thighs plus large fries. So ayan.
Matipid tayo niya na.
Yeah, sa Thursday and Tuesdays. So,
So saan ang daan natin? Mag-highway na lang tayo?
yeah, punta ka dyan. Punta ka dyan. Pwede kang mag-left dito.
And then,
Tapos Carney.
mag-carne tayo?
Oo.
Saan ba?
Left. Ayan. Tapos diretso mo. Tapos mag-right ka dyan sa last stop. People that goes there and attack the employees, just like the one in Queensway. Ito ang BLA, sinasabi nila it's the hood. Mga kwento na around 3 AM in the morning, mga kumakatok, gusto makapasok sa loob, tao na kumakatok for some reason, I don't know what reason. So minsan marami daw police activity rito, sabi ng mga nakatira banda rito. Masaya. Ito yung school na naglalaro ng mga Junakis Musdeo. Dami pang last week lang, marami pang snow dyan. Ngayon wala na, tunaw na dahil na ilang araw na nagiging plus 8 plus 10 na. Oh, butas ayan, sabi ko butas, baka mukha ko ang tinatama nun ah. Sakit naman nun.
Dito maraming butas.
Daming ito beer area na itong ganitong time, mga bears gising na sila, so they start to eat. Kung na yung mga bears nagising na from winter hibernation. Yan, ingat sa gabi pagka nasa northern BC, pagka lalabas sa gabi. Ang gabi pa naman ngayon yung mga alas 8 na ang sunset. So yung iba lalakad pa, yung iba may mga kasamang mga pet nilang aso. Tayo yung gusto buhay, palaging may ice by yung Jasper Park. Ito na yung neighborhood natin.
Never.
Ito na. Yan yung car na mali ang pag-park sa Ontario pa yan, tinigitan na yan. Ano yung kaibigan nung, or sabi nung red sa brother niya, pero tinanong ko naman, hindi naman niya brother. Daw niya piligo. Yung may maingay na tambutso, kanina sinabihan ko na ayusin niya yung kanyang tambutso. vlogs, kain tayo. Chicken.
Sarap niya. Yummy lang.
Hot sauce, ketchup, coleslaw, and kanin.
Sarap.